In today's health news, a recent study shows pushing kids to learn too much too soon may actually trigger long-term problems. Local 10 medical specialist Christy Kruger, she explains now in our HealthCast. Christy.
Important for parents to hear this one. The acronym ADHD, which stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, has been on the rise over the past few decades. And researchers right here at the University of Miami Miller School of Medicine have a theory now as to why this is happening. Dr. Jeffrey Brosco, who's a professor of clinical pediatrics, has identified a possible correlation between the prevalence of ADHD and increasing academic demands on your very young children.
Nowadays, we're asking children in kindergarten and even in pre-K to read, write, do journals, have homework. And this dramatic increase in academic demands may be good for children in terms of learning and reading. We're not sure about that. But there's no doubt that it's increasing the number of kids who get diagnosed as ADHD.
All right, so what do you do, Mom and Dad? Rather than pushing those flashcards and homework on young children, the doctor recommends doing simple and fun things to help your kids learn. Board games can help them learn to read and to count, and cooking involves measuring, and that can really help build up those math skills. And when it comes to helping kids learn, language experts say, think the old-fashioned way, guys, interacting with children through conversation and storytelling, that's vital. But speech therapist Avivit Venarone says that technology is just interfering with all that interaction.
We're seeing kids that are developing language skills that might be more delayed. Language skills are coming in a little bit later than they should. Kids are having a hard time interacting with other family members, engaging, playing, because they're just used to being very by themselves, sitting with the iPads, sitting with their computers, and not interacting.
All right, so Avivit says if by the age of 2 a child is really not speaking, forming words and making eye contact, it could be the sign of a developmental delay. And you know what? It's important to intervene with a specialist as early as possible to reduce the risk of any long-term problems. Coming up for you at 5, I'm going to show you how a South Florida professor has come up with a brand new tool in the fight against heart disease. I'll see you in an hour.
Okay, Christy, thank you.